This is job number JL0925, a pair of matching 118-ton hydraulic presses equipped with 18 by 18 electrically heated platens, a 15-horse hydraulic system, and a JL style control panel. We're going to run it through a cycle here. Go ahead. Press closes fast, goes to slow close, up into pressing, achieves full tonnage. We've got the cure time set at 10 seconds. Press will open when it times out and turns off at the bottom. We'll do one more cycle showing the light curtains when it's closing and when it's opening. Go ahead. So that completes press A. We'll do a separate video of press B shortly.